There are many things we can do to keep our bones healthy and strong. Eating foods rich in calcium and vitamin D, getting plenty of exercise, and having good health habits help keep our bones healthy. Milk and dairy products are concentrated calcium sources, and we know calcium fortifies bones and prevents osteoporosis. Now let's talk about some foods for stronger bones. Number 1. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are loaded with copper, magnesium, calcium, healthy omega-3 fats and have high protein content, which can be beneficial for people suffering from bone-related issues. Number 2. Mustard greens. A serving of mustard greens also packs an entire day's worth of vitamin K. This nutrient helps your body clot blood, and your heart function. In addition to its role in heart health, vitamin K helps keep your bones healthy. Vitamin K deficiencies can lead to a higher risk of bone mineral abnormalities and osteoporosis. Number 3. Flaxseed. Flaxseed oil has a beneficial effect on bone mineral density and reduces osteoporosis. Number 4. Spinach. Vitamin K in spinach helps in maintaining bone health. By promoting the synthesis of osteocalcin, osteocalcin is protein that maintains density and strength of bones. Spinach is rich in calcium also and hence prevent osteoporosis. Low calcium intake results in rapid bone loss and high fracture rates. Number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli contains high levels of both calcium and vitamin K, both of which are important for bone health and prevention of osteoporosis. Along with calcium, broccoli is also full of other nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and phosphorus. Number 6. Bok choy. A number of minerals in bok choy work to maintain bone health. These include calcium, phosphorus, zinc, magnesium, and vitamin K. Zinc and iron play a role in collagen synthesis and vitamin D metabolism. Kale. According to the National Osteoporosis Foundation, kale contains calcium, which aids in bone loss prevention. You will get the same amount of calcium from 1 cup of kale as you will from 1 cup of milk. Almonds. Almonds contain calcium, magnesium, manganese, copper, vitamin K, protein, and zinc, all of which contribute to bone health. Experts have recommended almonds as a way to obtain some of these nutrients. Adding these foods in your diet will make your bones hard, stronger and healthy.